This is the adorable moment a tourist rolls around in the mud with a baby elephant while on holiday in Thailand. Hannah Frenchick from West Virginia visited the Patara Elephant Farm in Chiang Mai, Thailand in October last year. While visiting the farm, she found a very playful baby elephant who couldn't help but rolls around with her. Ms Frenchick said, "It was the most magical and happiest moment of my life.It was truly life-changing for me." The clip shows Ms Frenchick sat on muddy ground in a bright purple poncho.She begins to pat the elephant's trunk, but the baby has other ideas and headbutts her body, pushing her over. Ms Frenchick erupts into laughter as she falls to the ground, covered in mud.The baby elephant then climbs over her body, keeping Ms Frenchick's torso under her legs. The tourist then sits up and pats the elephant's head as it rolls around, nestling its head into the ground. The calf then stumbles and falls as it slips in the mud while playing with Ms Frenchick.